Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Statistical hypothesis testing problems look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds by following 3 simple steps to identify the correct answer choice today. First, compare the p-value of 0.058 to the significance level of 0.05. Since the p-value is greater, we fail to reject the null. Because the p-value is not small enough, we do not have sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. We cannot claim the mean is different from 100 right now. Failing to reject the null means we lack convincing evidence for the alternative hypothesis. Option D correctly states that there is not convincing evidence of a difference. You nailed it. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't accept the null when p is high. Remember that no evidence means no rejection.